Hi you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So today I'm going to be setting up my personal size planner. I'm super excited about my new cover that I picked up from Moterm. So I did put it back in the box because I do store everything back in here. I'm kind of hearing mixed reviews that some people store in the boxes or in the dust bags. Some don't. They just leave them out because they say it's not good to store it in here. So let me know if you actually store your planners like in the original boxing, or do you like just leave them out, like say on your shelf or dresser. So I did pick up these rings. So these are from Moterm on AliExpress. I picked these up to replace my Filofax rings, but because the mechanism required me to drill through it to put in the rings that I have, I used another set of rings that I had for that particular Filofax personal size. So I do have this. I purchased this actually way before this, so I'm super happy that I do have these rings, and I'll be changing them out so you can see that. I'll always leave timestamps so you can fast forward if you don't want to see me changing out the rings, obviously. But I did that on my last Moterm, my A7 or pocket size, and I love gold hardware, so I'm always going to buy like different rings to change it out. I mean, it doesn't really, I guess, make a difference, but if you like, say, gold inserts, that kind of stuff, then definitely you'll need to purchase different rings because they always come in silver hardware. I don't know why they just never make anything with the gold hardware. I guess maybe the silver is more versatile, but we are here and I like gold. So I'm going to be moving out my Louis Vuitton agenda or medium ring agenda. So I'm going to remove all my inserts. Clearly not all at once. And I'm going to put them to the side. And then I can get this out the way. And just take out this decor. I got this at the Nike outlet. And take out my pen. And then that's it. So these rings are, I guess, brass, but I need to figure out how I can shine it up and keep it looking nice. But yeah, here's my Moterm. So let's take it out. So this is the Versa. So you have your regular standard personal size, but your Versa is basically like a 2-in-1. So you have like this middle part here, which I'm going to be replacing. And I'm going to put this aside. So I bought this kit at Dollar Tree and it has so many screwdrivers. I don't know if they're going to hold up, but I just wanted a set to keep in my office because I'm always changing out my rings. And I was like, you know what? I need something that I can just keep, that I can grab quickly. So I'm going to take out the flyleaf first. And then I'm going to take out this, which is protecting here. And then let's start. So I love Moterm for their ring changes. It's so easy. It has a back plate already inside. I'm wanting to get a Vanderspec. My eyes are on one right now. So I'm going to be hopefully getting a VDS soon. They are pricey. I'm looking on the pre-love market. I will purchase only really my Moterms brand new. Because if I buy it from someone, say in the US, the shipping is just going to be way too much. So it's cheaper for me to get it on Amazon, which is free shipping, or get it on... These are the back ones. So you don't need these because you're going to keep the back plate on. That's already here. And just pop this back on. And then just screw this in. Like, it's so simple. And it's going to look nice because the stitching is green. And I think the gold just makes it pop. Like, I don't like it with the silver. So this is going to give me all the fall vibes that I am so looking for. I'm a fall baby. November is my birthday month. So I am here for, you know, switching it up. I really do enjoy, I realize, being in like a stiffer like agenda. I do enjoy it, but then I do like, you know, the versatility and how squishy, you know, being in like this style as well. So I don't know, I like both. However I feel, I just switch it up. So that is it. Really simple. I'm gonna put back the fly leaf in here. And I think I'm going to stick it back in here as well. So you just slide it in your back cover like that. And the thing is, it makes it a lot more bulky with the back pocket. I find your pen loop is on here, which I really do enjoy that it's on here because if I want to just use just this part, I have my pen loop in here. So that is another bonus with this fly leaf being here. So let's start. I have my front cover here. And I'm going to take this out. And I don't know if I should use brown with it. I feel like brown would look nice, but I'm thinking more like neutral, like this color I have here, which I do have throughout here. And I think I'm just going to use this color. So I'm just going to put this fall dashboard here. And then I'm going to go back into my 2022. I'm debating if I'm going to put that back in. So I'm just going to leave that out for a minute. Then I have just my notes that I made on little, and just put the little sticky notes on here, which these are the Dollar Tree chopping mats. And then I think I'm going to switch this one out, which I don't really need it. And then I'm going to put in my chores, like my AM and PM routine, and my chores for my cat, and then my weekly cleaning. I'm going to put back my inbox here. And then I have my October weeklies. So I didn't do an actual setup for October, my personal, because I just kept everything the same, I believe. Yeah, I don't think I did one. I think I just did it for September. And I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to leave this in here for October. And then now I'm just going to add in my inserts. So these are my fall goals. I have some bucket list goals. I'm off of social media in terms of my personal social media, Instagram and Facebook. I'm not on there right now. I'm just taking a break. I need a mental break from social media. I'm still doing, obviously, my Instagram but even that I don't post too frequently. So this will be October and November. And then I'm curious, do people really take a lot of social media breaks? I think it's been like well over a month. Like I'm so over it. And then I'm going to add in this at the back, which, you know what? I think I'm actually going to remove this because I don't really use, I mean, I do and I don't, but what I like is that at the end of each of these, like you have your notes at the end here, and then you have this. So I'm feeling like at the back of here, I should start just putting like whatever my like goals are. So I'm going to put this aside for now. And then I'm going to put in this dashboard here. Everything that you see, I just print images off of Pinterest, and then I just do it on this nice thick vellum. I love this vellum. It's so beautiful and thick, and it's great for printing like color, as you could see, because the thin one I had just didn't work. And then I'm going to put back in my budget here, and then I have my budget for September and October. And then I'm going to put in this, which I do have passwords and stuff, so I'm not going to show that. And then my notebook, which I do brainstorming in. And then I'm going to put in my back cover. So let's put in this first. And my back cover. And I like the back cover because it will protect it here. And then I'm going to put, I don't know where I should put my fly leaf. Because I don't know if I like that there. Let's see. Or should I put my fly leaf at the back? I feel like at the back might work the best. Because then once I put my pen in here, and this pen, like piece where like you put your pen in, it's quite wide. So if you definitely have a thick pen, like this would be great. So I think that's it. It's gonna be so chunky. So here it is. Let me do a quick flip through and show you what my fall setup's gonna look like. So does everything fit? Yeah, it does. It's gorgeous. There we go. So it just looks like this. So I can put in some decor here, and I'm going to grab some cards. I want to make some journaling cards, stuff like that, and start doing some deco in the front and back. I think I'm going to do that soon. And then I just go into my fall. And I always layer like this. And then I have my 2022 calendar, which I think I'm going to put some stickers down. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to use these Capital Chic Design stickers and just mark off my months, but I don't know if that contrast with this and this is going to look good. You know what? Let's just go for it. So I'm done with January and February. I don't know how we got here so quickly. March is finished. And April. And which other ones? May. And then I think I'm going to use one of these foiled ones. So we got here till June. And then I'm going to start it again. So July, August, September. And we're not quite done with October, so I'm going to leave that blank. And then I'm going to move on. So here's my calendar. I just layered it. My notes, my AM, PM routine, my cards. And then I have my inbox here. And then I have my weeklies in here. And then I'll just show you some blank ones, just in case I have some phone numbers or anything in here. So my weeklies just look like this. I love these Carpe Diem inserts. They are undated, so you don't have to feel pressured to use them. And you have them here where you have your month page at the front. Then you have your weekly here, and I love that they're lined. These are the perfect inserts. So I can use my dots, and then I just date here, which I will do after for November. And then you have your last paper here, which I'm going to probably transfer this information here for my, I would say, monthly bucket list. Like I won't say just fall. I'll say, you know what, that is for November, and then have what I want to do in November here. Then I just have this sheet here on vellum. Then it goes into my budget section. And then I have my private like info here. I just keep this chores chart, so once I'm changing out the pages, I don't have to sort of hide sensitive information. So it says family chores, and I have a password tracker, and then important phone numbers, and then my notebook. And then I keep my stickers back here, all my little dot stickers, and a few other, I believe, can't remember exactly where, but I picked these up from Walmart, and they're super cute stickers. So that's it, and just my page lifter. So that is everything for my November setup in my beautiful new Moterm. And this is the Moterm Versa in Pebbled leather, and it is the color olive. So I'm going to change this out because this green and thing is not going to look nice together. So we're going to find a new one. I actually have this Filofax ruler that I wanted to stick in here somewhere. So I'm probably going to stick this maybe at the front near my inbox. That might work. Because sometimes I just want to use a ruler, and I like that I can have this in here. So I'm going to leave that in there like that. And that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed my November setup and my new Moterm. And if you have any questions, definitely leave it down below. And then I will see you guys in another video. Take care.